What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. So, let's get started. Today we made another $10,000 day trading. If you guys want to check it out, go check my short I just posted so you guys can see. Today we are Wednesday, October 1. So, yeah. Here's the stats for the day. So, 2K, 2K, 2K. And the accounts are looking very nice. So, I only need one more winning day and all the accounts are passed. That's pretty nice, you know. 150Ks. I just need 2,000 more and they're all passed, ready to get payouts. Here are the stats on this. I don't want to go too much up for the information. Here we have already 5 trading days. We're up 5K. I don't think we had a single losing day actually. Yeah, that's pretty nice. But anyway, with today's payout, with today straight 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, I only need 2,000 to pass all the accounts. Once they're passed, I'll have to meet the buffer. So 2 to 3 trades and then yeah. But anyway, we're not forcing anything. We're just going with the flow. If tomorrow we take an L, then we're gonna be needing 2 more days. So we'll see. Today we had news at 10, red folders, so we had to be careful for 10. And yeah, the rest of the week seems pretty nice. Next week we don't have news, Monday and Tuesday. Interesting. Alright. Oh, bank holiday here. Trading view. So yeah, let's get started. Like always, if you guys enjoy at any moment, like, subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Alright, so what can I see already? Well, we have this previous day low, Asia high, London high, not all-time high, previous day high. And yeah, we'll remove this since price didn't come to this zone. So already, what can we see coming into market? I can see this bullish fair value gap that got disrespected, and we created this bullish fair value gap. Alright, so as of right now, I'm thinking, alright, price is gonna come back here and then go higher. So I am bullish. Let's go on the 4 hours, see if there's anything interesting. Nothing. 15-minute. Nothing. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let me go back to replay. Alright, what else can I see? Well, we can see this obvious sell side, so we're just gonna mark it. Anything else? Not really. Alright. So market open in 1 minute. Let's see what price does. Alright, we go straight to this sell side. So as of right now, we're still waiting to get exactly where we're going. So let's see. Alright, next candle. So 931. This sell side gets respected and we go all the way up to London highs, right? And remember, my higher time frame is bullish, my bias. So as of right now, I'm still waiting because this could hold and then we'll be in a reversal, or this could go on and we'll be in a continuation. Alright, so now we're confirmed that we're going up. So I have this fair value gap. I can mark it, but it is way too large that I won't take it. Because for example, if I take it, we need to factor in price rebalancing into the fair value gap. So technically my stop loss should be here. Now for a 1-to-1 it's fine, but it's too much. So yeah, we'll just keep going. Here we created another 1 minute for value gap. We can mark it. Even though it's small, does it make sense? Yes. So we can still look at it. I don't know why my mouse keep doing this. 934, I'm not in. I could have entered, but I'm not in. 935, price tapped into this gap. I entered. Let's remove this. If you guys go check the short, I was 50 ticks, so 12 points for a 1 to 2. And legit 2 minutes later, guys, 1, 2, bang, full TP. And then let's say if your TP for any reason was higher, this buy side was getting respected, so you guys had to close anywhere. Maybe 38, 40, you guys had to close it. Then price dumped lower. Let's go check out what macro did. So I entered at 935 pre-macro, but I noticed that a lot of setup happens pre-macro. If it's aligned with my contacts and everything, I'll just take it. Anyway, let's see what happened next. This is previous day low, if I remember. Okay, so now we're in macro, 945 right there. What can I see? Well, for my specific model, which is fair value gap, I didn't see anything yet. Fast forward. Now, yes, we created this 1 minute, this 1 minute, 100%. But looking at it, we don't know yet what's gonna happen. We didn't displace actually lower. I would have just waited, to be honest. We can still mark them, see what's gonna happen. So this got disrespected. 954. Honestly, I'm not sure, but if I was trading in macro, I probably would have took this short right there. 956, we have news at 10. Probably not, I don't know. I mean, it does make sense, but like I said, my hard time frame was bullish. 950, now 950 we didn't hit this zone specifically, but it was pretty close. That to play it safe, we should have just waited, just in case. Let's go check on the 1 hour. Yeah, honestly, I would have just waited since it was pretty close. So let's remove this. From there, 956, what happens? Yes, we create a 1 minute for value gap again, but we are at London high, so we don't know yet what price is gonna do. Right. This 1 minute is way too small. Now we can't even count this as a valid fair value gap, so we're still waiting technically. Okay, then price displays higher, creating this 1 minute. So when price comes back, we can take this short, this long, sorry. 70 points for a 1 to 2, or this buy side, this next buy side. $10.06 would be my entry. And here, guys, we had news at 10, so we have to be careful. Alright, well, this trade setup would have worked, but to be honest, 10.08 might have stopped me out. Specifically, I mean, you guys know when we enter, let's say the second you send the order, if the candle was here, you're gonna get entered here, but let's say it was here, then it would have been like that. I mean, that's the only other valid setup I see, and it played out, just was a little bit close to stop loss, to be honest. But yeah, anyway, that was the recap for the day. My trade was right there. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.